Blizzards like this remind us of one thing. No matter how powerful a city is, nature is stronger. From crowded streets to a silent, frozen world, Manhattan was completely transformed. Would you survive a storm like this? Let me know in the comments.
The noise disappeared. No honking, no rush, just wind and falling snow. Skyscrapers faded into white fog. Sidewalks became narrow paths through deep snow. It was chaotic, but strangely beautiful. The storm hit fast. Within hours, streets disappeared under thick snow. Cars were covered, traffic slowed, flights were delayed. Famous areas like Times Square looked unreal, bright lights surrounded by silence instead of crowds. Even Central Park transformed into a massive snowfield. Strong winds reduced visibility, making travel dangerous. Officials advised people to stay indoors. For a city that never sleeps, this was a rare moment of pause.
This is not the Arctic. This is Manhattan, the heart of New York City, one of the busiest cities in the world, completely buried under snow. In 2026, a powerful blizzard turned New York into a frozen white landscape. But how extreme was it?